Spring Rain by Alastair Macdonald. Pasture and unfeathered hedges, plowland beyond, a distanced barn, branches netting the white cloud, a youth and a girl walking up the picture in blue rain-scented wind. Camera caught too for memory, the feel of cold new air, while love's opening year stretched far as fields over hawthorn, lasting, coloring days, world mastering. Another year, and each was elsewhere, as first desire with innocent betrayal took its changing shape of cause and time and face, and moved by the lost cry of their slim bodies' fire. In that search and discoveries burn, and thoughts of fervors chilled, and compeers too soon dead, I finger the worth in the pictures still of that walk away from the moment we entered to where I am.